girl got some package. So let's unbox or unbag. So I mostly got accessories. So yeah. I'm gonna get the scissors. This is a top. So I am a lover of black, if you ever know, and I like casual tops that look dressy. So I bought this. I'll put the picture here somewhere on the screen, and it ties and go around the back. I'll do a try on. Next, I got shoes. I love shoes and I love accessories now that I am developing my style. So I got these Birkenstock dupes. You see how excited I am to get this like Christmas thing and stuff. Ooh, yeah. So we're gonna have some looks with this. Yeah. And all the fun. I did the fuzzy one inside because it is fall winter time. It's really cool. Yes, we're in where it's not snowing, but it does get cool. So yeah. Next, I'm gonna show you my stuff first, and then I'll show you what I got from you. Next, this is really battered. I got this cute shoes. I don't know what this is. I don't know what everything is because whenever I check my order, this cute flat jeans flats. I'm doing casual chic outfits, so I have to get the casual chic shoes. So this is this. This is nice and cute. I got this in a size 40 because I'm wide foot, small foot but wide foot, and to make sure these Chinese shoes will fit me, 39 or 40 depending on the style. This fits good. I can just sling it on and it's not hanging over. Perfect. Yeah. Like back in the days, I would have think these are granny shoes, but I guess I'm in the era of the granny shoes. Next shoes. Ooh, these are a little bit iffy for me. I've never had a shoe like this. I got these black mules, Oxford type mules, like Oxford at the front, mule at the back. Let's see. All right, not bad, comfortable. I did the gold accent. It kinda, this more giving me definite granny, but I'll work with it. Ooh. So yeah, this is it. I got these in a 40 as well. As I said, I size up in any shoes that seem narrow in the toe box. Come on, to fit comfortable and look good on my foot. Next, yeah, bare shoes. I love shoes. I'm on to bed. I got these. Oh no, these definitely got beaded up. I got these, what do you call it? loafers in a light deep gray. I got these in a 39 because they're close to, and I want to make sure that they fit. These are nice. They're actually comfortable. Yeah. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Yep. I think we reached the close part now. Yeah. Alright. No, I have 2 more shoes. I have this. This is a boot. Finally. Oh, that's the inside. Ooh, yes. Ooh, I couldn't even wear it with my dress. Look at it. Yeah, yeah. This is cute. Next, boots. I bought a brown one. Yeah. So this is like a suede material. That one was pleather. So this one is a little bit softer. This one is a little bit lower as well. The heel is lower and it's less pointy. So I wanted some variation. I actually wanted a round toe, but I couldn't find any in the color that I wanted. And this would match perfectly with my Steve Madden bag. Yeah. Ooh. Even this can wear this, like, yeah. Yeah. And then the next item in the bag can go with the other one. This is my leather jacket. Leather. Yeah, I'm gonna get this raw. Y'all see the vibe? Yeah. This is the black one. Yep. Oh, y'all see the freaking vibe. Y'all see the vibe. Yeah, this could have been as an outfit though. Yeah. Anyways, move on to the rest of the clothing. Alright, so next is this sweater. Got this sweater. Oh, this is so cute. It's so soft. It's lightweight to be in the area that I'm in, where I can wear it, not burn up, but still, yeah. Once again, this piece can wear with this because this way just throw it over. Throw it over this and it looks like a skirt. Ooh. Yes, it's nice and soft. Let's see how it does in the wash when it's washed though. But yeah, this is nice. I'm gonna wear this with my skirt and probably the black boots. Oh, so cute. Next. Oh, this is a top. I'm not really sure on this one, but this is a top that can be worn 3 ways. So you can wear it as an altar, you can wear it as a sew, and you can wear it so. But yeah, it has the back out. I didn't know that so much back was out, but yeah, this is gonna be cute to just throw on. Yeah. Then the last item for me, I got this because my birthday is around the corner and I wanted to have something just to throw on. I'm not gonna be doing anything big on for my birthday. As always, just celebrate with my boys or with my husband. Yeah, so we can do this, right? Yeah. So this is like a jumper. I like the material. It feels kind of linen-y. I know it's probably not linen. Let me see if I can find the material. I'm kind of getting into knowing what kind of materials I'm getting as well. This is polyester, but it kind of feels very, not a good polyester. But yeah, I like the color, very neutral, which is what I've been loving lately. Last 2 items are for DG Beach. So this is a pullover. This is small though. What size is it? This is a size, no size? 10. No 10-year-old is this small. Anyways, he'll wear it now. And he can gets the reference. He loves Minecraft, so yeah, looking at his bed right now because I'm in his room. He got Minecraft on it. Next is this. I believe it's a 2-piece. So I got him this joggers, pants, and a sweater or jacket. Keep him warm in the night because we're gonna be doing some activities. So yeah. Yeah, this is really nice and soft. I love the material. It's not too thick as well. This is size 11. These sizes are smaller. Is it that I think my kid is big, even though he's not fat? But yeah, this is nice. Well, SHEIN sizes are always small. So yeah. And then he can just wear a white t-shirt, cream t-shirt, something underneath it with this, and he's very cute. And I could do a little matching moment. Yeah, my baby. Yeah, so that's it for my haul. I'm gonna do a try-on video for the few stuff and show you guys what the shoes look like. But yeah, bye guys.